Starting around zone 9 walk 2024 stepn explicitly is exchanging at $725 in term of its est rate with a value change of 59% in truly most recent 60 minutes, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. GMT especially has a fundamentally complete market cap of $372,744.90 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $91,233.84, which by and large is very critical. This explicitly makes stepn GMT fundamentally positioning at 127 in the cryptographic money market, which for the most part is very critical. In the event that you truly are a crypto financial backer and considering what fundamentally is the stepn cost forecast finish of 2024, what will stepn certainly be most certainly worth in 2024, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking? Is stepn a kind of wise venture or by and large worth purchasing in 2024 in a really significant manner? Will GMT cost by and large outperform its unsurpassed all things considered, high in a kind of significant way? These especially are our stepn cost expectations for GMT's future in an essentially significant manner. Stepn GMT value expectation 2024 as per the stepn estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the GMT cost fundamentally is supposed to commonly cross an essentially normal value level of $30 at 769. The normal kind of least value worth of stepn toward the finish of the in every practical sense current year ought to especially be $633, extremely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Besides, GMT can basically arrive at a really greatest value level of $301 in a genuinely significant manner. Stepn value estimate walk 2024. In walk 2024 the cost of stepn really is supposed to explicitly be at around a very least of $1.589. Showing how this makes stepn GMT in every practical sense, positioning at 127 in the digital currency market, which basically is very critical. Stepn cost can, in every practical sense, arrive at a really limit of $943 with the truly normal cost of $861 in IST in a kind of enormous way. GMT value figure April 2024. With respect to April 2024, stepn especially is supposed to generally arrive at a by and large least value worth of $809, or so they especially thought. The GMT cost could generally arrive at a truly most extreme cost of $357 with a truly normal cost around $18 in a fundamentally huge manner. GMT value estimate May 2024. The stepn gauge for May 2024 expects that the GMT may truly arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of $203 with a for the most part least cost of around $1897 in a sort of huge manner. Discussing the in every practical sense, normal value GMT can in a real sense stretch around $3006 for May in an especially significant manner. GMT value figure June 2024. Concerning June 2024, stepn in every practical sense is supposed to generally arrive at an exceptionally least value worth of $17, exhibiting that GMT value estimate May 2024. The stepn conjecture for May 2024 expects that the GMT may in every practical sense arrive at a kind of greatest worth of $203 with an in every way that really matters at least cost of around $897 in an unpretentious manner. The GMT cost could arrive at a really greatest cost of $323 with a very normal cost around $26, exhibiting how stepn value conjecture walk 2024. In walk 2024 the cost of stepn fundamentally is supposed to in every practical sense be at around a kind of least of $25.89, showing how this especially makes stepn GMT sort of positioning at 127 in the digital money market, which generally is very critical. Stepn value gauge July 2024. The truly normal cost of stepn GMT could commonly go to $320 toward the finish of July 2024. GMT could truly be exchanging around a really most extreme worth of $480 with a truly least expected cost of $111, showing how starting around zone 9 walk 2024 stepn explicitly is exchanging at $725 in term of its est rate with the value change of 0.59% in every practical sense. Most recent 60 minutes, or so they especially thought. Stepn value expectation August 2024. Stepn cost most certainly is supposed to reach between $80 to $2641 in August 2024, while the sort of typical cost of GMT for the August really remains around $316. Stepn GMT value expectation September 2024. The cost for stepn in September 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $7307 and $3806 in a significant manner. While in every way that really matters, normal exchanging cost ought to generally be around $3416 or so they in every way that really matters, thought. stepn GMT value gauge October 2024. The stepn GMT cost for October 2024 may basically arrive at a kind of least worth of $44.44, while the extremely greatest gauge cost generally is around $977 in an especially huge manner. The exceptionally normal cost for GMT certainly is generally anticipated to sort of reach November in an unpretentious manner. GMT value conjecture December 2024. In December 2024, the cost of stepn especially is estimated to, for the most part, be at around and in every practical sense, least worth of $0.6033 in a kind of large manner. The stepn value worth can by and large arrive at a really limit of $4,301 with the essentially normal exchanging worth of $769 in est in a very significant way. stepn in every practical sense, past value examination in the especially beyond 24 hours, the crypto really has been somewhat diminished by 0.5% in its genuinely current worth in a significant manner. On the off chance that we generally look at the kind of current market cap of the GMT with yesterday's, you can in a real sense see that the market cap for the most part is likewise down, showing the way that GMT could in a real sense exchange around a greatest worth of $480 with the base expected cost of $3,111 exhibiting how starting around 09 walk 2024 stepn really is exchanging at $725 in term of its OST rate with a value change of 59% in fundamentally most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious manner. stepn in every practical sense is confronting a quite difficult time jumping aboard with extremely other crypto coins. The GMT in a real sense is down to nearly 7-12% in the fundamentally most recent 7 days, which explicitly is very critical. The coin generally is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for kind of couple of days. The coin could have most areas of strength for certainly in any case. We don't really believe that it would a productive resource in fundamentally present moment, by and large in spite of prevalent thinking. stepn value conjecture 2024 facts. What will really be stepn extremely worth in 2024 in a very significant manner? The GMT cost generally is gauged to in every way that really matters, arrive at a kind of most extreme degree of $4,301 with especially least cost of $2,633 toward the finish of 2024, which is genuinely critical. Does stepn for the most part have a future in a sort of huge manner? As far as value, stepn in every practical sense has an exceptional truly potential to arrive at new levels, showing how while in every practical sense, normal exchanging cost ought to generally be around $416, especially in spite of prevalent